Let me guess, you sit down to study or work, and 5 minutes later you are on your phone, watching cat videos, scrolling Instagram, or somehow deep into a YouTube rabbit hole again. Sound familiar? You are not alone. Our attention span today is shorter than a goldfish's. But here's the good news, focus isn't something you are born with, it's something you can train. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful and science-backed ways to improve your focus even if your mind feels like a browser with 47 tabs open. Stick around till the end, because the last tip is something almost nobody talks about, but it changes everything. Part 1. The real reason you cannot focus. Before we jump into the tips, let's understand why it's so hard to focus in the first place. Your brain isn't lazy, it's distracted by design. See, every notification, every ping, every like gives your brain a hit of dopamine. That's the same chemical released when you eat chocolate, win a game, or fall in love. So guess what? Your brain learns to crave distractions. That's why focusing feels uncomfortable. It's basically fighting against a dopamine addiction. But once you understand that, you can take back control. Part 2. Create a focus bubble. Think of it like putting your brain inside a quiet, distraction-free zone. Here's how you do it. Put your phone in another room, not just on silent. Close all unnecessary tabs. Use one browser window for your task, nothing else. And tell people around you you're in focus mode. If your environment is noisy, use ambient sounds like rain sounds or instrumental beats. It's simple, but this step alone can double your focus in less than a week. Part 3. The Pomodoro Upgrade. You've probably heard of the Pomodoro Technique, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break. But here's the upgrade. Instead of focusing on time, focus on goals. Ask yourself, what can I realistically complete in the next 25 minutes? That shifts your brain into mission mode. And after every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 20 minute break. Your brain works in cycles, use that rhythm instead of fighting it. Part 4. Control your dopamine. This is where it gets interesting. You can't focus if your brain is overloaded with dopamine from social media. So, start doing a dopamine detox. No, you don't have to go live in a cave. Just try this. For the first hour after you wake up, don't touch your phone. Instead, do one productive thing, stretch, plan your day, read something inspiring. This helps reset your brain's reward system so real work feels rewarding again. It's like turning down the noise so you can finally hear your own thoughts. Part 5. Train your focus like a muscle. Here's the truth, focus is just like going to the gym. If you can't concentrate for long, that's okay. You just haven't trained it yet. Start with short focus reps. Example. Day 1 to 3 10 minutes of deep focus. Day 4 to 7 20 minutes. Day 8 to 14 30 minutes. Over time, your attention muscle gets stronger. And soon, what used to feel impossible, like working 2 hours straight, becomes easy. Because consistency beats intensity. Part 6. The 3-hour rule for instant refocus. And now, the secret weapon I promised you, the 3-hour rule. Whenever you catch yourself distracted, do this. 1. Recognize, I'm distracted. 2. Refocus, take a breath, and return to your task. 3. Repeat, every time your mind wanders, just repeat this process. Don't beat yourself up, distractions are normal. What matters is how fast you come back. That's what separates the unfocused from the unstoppable. So let's recap. 1. Create your focus bubble. 2. Use the goal-based Pomodoro. 3. Do dopamine detox. 4. Train your focus daily. 5. Practice the 3-hour rule. If you start applying even one of these today, you'll notice a difference in less than a week. Remember, focus isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. So the next time your brain wants to scroll, ask yourself, is this helping me get closer to the life I want? Because that question can change everything. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed productivity hacks, and comment below. What's your biggest focus killer? Thanks for watching, and remember, stay sharp, stay focused, and go win your day.